Hello everybody, just thought I'd let you know that this video is a few weeks old, so hair's long, everything looks different, but I'm not an alien, I'm not time traveling. The video is a good one, it's lovely unboxing again, so let's go check it out right about now. So hello everybody, if you're new to the channel, welcome, thank you for popping in, I really appreciate your view, I really appreciate you coming along because I'm here to make life a lot easier for people, show you guys some really cool stuff and give you some tips and tricks in the world of investing. So today, that's right, we've got another silver unboxing and this is something that I'm very proud of acquiring personally. So this stuff here, I actually managed to get for spot price, and that may sound interesting. You know, I know a lot of you know the types of silver that you can actually find for spot price, such as pre-decimal silver, but this is no pre-decimal silver. These are some premium Perth Mint Koalas. That's right, you heard me. We've got some koalas in here, and boy oh boy am I excited to open them up. So they've actually sealed the envelope. Thank you for that, because I don't want anything falling out, but very excited to get into today's unboxing. So let's just snip it right open. Alrighty. So we have another padded bag in here, so thank you for that. Really good to have some extra security when you are packing. You know, you don't want your precious metals to arrive to you unprotected, I guess. So thanks for packing this up well. Now, the seller actually was fine for me to let you know of the name. This is thanks to Maverick on the Silver Stackers forum. Big shout out to Maverick. Thanks for making this deal seamless and smooth. Make sure to go check them out if you would like some silver yourself or just want to know someone friendly on the forum. So here we go. Oh, this is extremely well packed. Okay. So we just open this up here. A little bit of a homemade envelope. Yep. Oh yes. Good stuff. Oh, it's just very well packed. So we'll just snip into it here. Got to get in there. Got to do all the unboxing for you guys. And we'll just move this to the side. Alrighty then. So we are now in and we have some incredible looking koalas waiting for us here. So let's crack on onto them. There we go, everybody. Ooh. Yep, I'm excited. That's right, I'm officially excited. I mean, when am I not excited about precious metals? But, you know, especially excited today because these are some really nice koalas. So these aren't actually 2020 koalas because I have to say that would be very hard to find at this sort of price. But these are good because they are from a little while ago. When I say a little while, I'm talking, what, 7 to 8 years. So I'm very happy that I got these in perfect condition. That's right, they weren't just sold to me at spot because they weren't good. These are in mint condition as if you just bought them. So here today we have the 2012 and the 2013 koalas, and wow, are they some spectacular coins. So I'm very happy to be adding these to my silver stack. You know, I'm a big fan of all the Perth Mint stuff, and especially the series like the kookaburras and the koalas. So very happy to have my very first bits of koala Perth Mint coinage, I guess you could say. Spoiler, there is actually some more koala coming pretty soon, so make sure to stay tuned, but it's not exactly what you would think. Anyway, back to these two very good designs, and I have to say, with some of the previous kookaburra designs, they're not necessarily my favorite, but as the 2021 is spectacular, but these koalas are just really easy to make a beautiful design with, and that's why I'm such a big fan of them and so grateful that I could find them at such a good price. So I think I'll flip the camera around and give you guys a better look at these spectacular coins because they are something to withhold up close. Alright everybody, here are the spectacular koalas. So on the left hand side we have the 2012 koala. What a wonderful piece. I know it does look like it has a fingerprint, but that's not, it's just a light there. So we can see that this one is in pretty good condition. A little bit of dust on the case, but that can always be fixed up. Very good looking coin there. Big fan of that one there. I really like how it's hugging the log. It's a really cute koala. And then we have the Australian kookaburra from 2013. So both of these are 3 9s fine, but they probably would test out as 4 9s, I'm guessing. That there is just a mark on the capsule. It's actually in perfect condition on the coin. But really, really good finds there. I'm so grateful that I was able to pick these up. So a big thanks to Maverick, and I'm really, really glad that these are new members of my stack. So really glad to be getting these at spot price. You know, that's what we're always looking for, some really good deals on getting our silver. So I feel very privileged and a bit proud that I was able to find these. Although they were offered to me, it feels good when you get silver at spot. So it gives you a really warm and fuzzy feeling inside. So that's it for the koalas, I guess. Well, there you have it, guys. 2 more wonderful pieces to be adding to the stack today. Some really exciting stuff happening. I'm just overwhelmed. I've got clips upon clips upon clips of stuff recorded. I've been getting deliveries left, right, center. So very excited to be showing all this to you guys. I know I've probably got a few hours of editing to go and do now because just had a rush of deliveries come in, but it's always a pleasure to be making these videos for you guys. So if you did enjoy, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Looks a little bit like this thing on my picture frame there. And make sure to give the like, comment in the description, tell me what you thought of it, any suggestions for future videos, and I just really appreciate every single person watching this video. It sincerely means so much to me because I'm just making this channel to make people happy, teach them things, and learn stuff myself. So if I've achieved that for you guys, then that makes me really happy. That's it for now, guys. Make sure to use the links in the description to get some really, really helpful financial resources, because if you're still watching, you care. So make sure to pick up a copy of some of the books below, some other really important resources, all available to you in the links in the description. That's all for now, guys, and until next time, goodbye.